How's it? Welcome to our microgreen farm. Let me take you through this fantastic growth over here. We've got sugar snap peas, pea tendrils as you would call it. Beautiful clean roots. Look at that. These are actually ready from today to the next 3 days. We could harvest these, and that's what it looks like. That's super sweet. Highly nutritious. Holds all the nutritional value. And these are pea tendrils making their way up in succession planting as always. And these are little babies that'll be ready for next week. Also very sweet at this stage. Delicious. The beautiful rocket, micro rocket. And these are trays of micro rocket that have been unstacked yesterday. As you can see, they're starting to gain their photosynthesis, and the leaves are going green and stretching. As you can see, we have fantastic growth everywhere. Everything's uniform. Everything looks fantastic. Very impressed. We've got our indoor growing lights with the same varieties, testing out different lights here. The growth seems to be great. It uses a little bit more energy, but the growth seems to be great. We've also installed these little fans that blow over our microgreens, just waving over them a little bit, just to keep that air movement going. Tomorrow's harvest day for all these older rockets, so I'm excited for that. This is one of the older rockets. And these are radish, cherry belle to be specific. And jeez, that also packs a beautiful punch. I'm gonna have another one. Enjoyed that. Those are fans pulling air out of our room. And here's the last row going back into the pack house. I didn't try a rocket for you, so I'll try a rocket for you. Very spicy. Minimal yields on these trays, so we've actually got to grow a lot to meet our consumers' needs, but we do it for them. This is farm to fork. It's the way we work. We wouldn't have it any other way. We're so passionate about this. I mean, look at this. It doesn't get better than that. Well, it will in months to come, but follow us for this adventure, and welcome to the pack house / planting house, where we are now preparing trays for planting. First we prepare, we weigh out everything, we put them in the trays, and from the trays we flatten them. After that we water, and after that's planting, which will be another video for you guys. These are bottom feeder trays. This is Mike. How's it, Mike? These are beautiful sugar snap peas that are going out now to our clients, waiting for collection. Our fridge must have in a microgreen facility. We keep this fridge at about 4 degrees Celsius, as you can see at the bottom. And there is a light. I just keep the light off for electricity sakes, just trying to save on costs. But that's what it looks like. These are onion shoots that we cut back, and we're waiting to see if we can get a second growth from them. So let's stay tuned for that. Here's some runner-up onion shoots. So this will come up in the next few days, which I'm excited about. Just to have some fresh stock for one of our chefs. You can actually see the full range of succession here. These are literally 5 days planted apart. 5 days. 5 days. 5 days later. And those ones there 5 days later. That's actually the full growth stage of sugar snap pea. Well done. We got it in this one video. I'm stoked.